So today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a successful DPS air brake test. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your seat is adjusted where you want it. Make sure your steering wheel is tilted where you want it. Put your seatbelt on. Okay. And then for your tester may have you do the air brake test first where you're checking for a leak, or they may have you do a different section of the brake test of your 3 tests that you have to do. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to place the vehicle with it running, the bus running. We're going to put it in drive with our parking brake engaged or pulled. So we'll place it in drive, and we're going to push on the accelerator. And as you see, the bus should not move. That tells us that our brake is holding and that it is working. So place it back in neutral. The next part of the test we'll test to see that our air brakes are not leaking. So we're going to turn it all the way to the left, and then turn the key all the way to the right. Okay. Once our lights have cycled through, we're going to place our foot over our brake, not pressing down. Then we're going to release the parking brake, and once our needle has settled, we're going to hold the service brake down. Once that is settled, you'll start your 1-minute timer, and we shouldn't lose more than 3 PSIs. So, foot over the brake, hand over the parking brake. Oh, we're over the chalk. So, release the brake. Once the needle's settled, press it down. Once the needle's settled there, you'll start your minute, and you'll tell your tester that it shouldn't lose more than 3 PSI, so you'll want to keep an eye on the timer and your gauge. And then also, because it's a long time, tell your tester, explain to them the other steps of this. So I would tell them, after this I'm going to begin pumping down my brakes, and between 40 and 60 PSI my low pressure warning alarm and buzzer and light should go off. And then I'll continue pumping down, and between 20 and 40 PSI, the parking brake should engage itself and release. Okay, our minute's up. We did not lose more than 3 PSI, so we'll begin pumping the brakes down. At 60 PSI, our low pressure light and buzzer engaged. Okay, and at about 25 PSI, our parking brake engaged itself and popped out. So everything is working correctly. Let's start the bus back up. And then you can use the cruise to make the air pump up a little bit faster. You don't want to get it over the 15 RPMs. And if it's hot outside, your tester will definitely appreciate that. So once our pressure builds back up to 120, we're going to test that our service brake is working correctly. So we'll allow the bus we'll disengage the parking brake, place the bus in drive, and we'll allow it to roll forward about 5 miles per hour. And then when we press the parking brake and press the service brake, the bus should not pull to the left or the right, and you'll want to tell them that's what you're looking for. 20. So you turn the cruise off, and I'm going to reverse just a little bit to get off my chocks so that I can roll the bus forward. Okay. At this point, you're going to place the vehicle in drive, and you allow the bus to get up to about 5 miles per hour, and then you're going to push the service brake, and it should not pull to the left or the right, and have a smooth stop. And then your brake test is complete.